Hello, this is Retro Marky. Long time no make a video, especially me waffling on to the camera. I did think about giving a long-winded explanation of why, but I don't want to get political. So I came across an issue whilst fixing this 64C here for a customer of mine. At first I thought it was a nice easy fix. I popped in the old dead cartridge and found there was a RAM problem with the second of the two RAM chips. I actually decided in the end to socket and put two new ones for the customer. I figured if one had blown then it wouldn't hurt to change the other one, even though it was fine. But yeah, so I thought, okay, well that was a nice easy fix. I'll just carry on and fix this thing up and refurbish and clean it and do all the stuff I normally do. Millions of hours of tests. And then I decided to use my Ultimate 2, which I normally do because I can check things like disk access, cartridge, PRGs, tapes, etc. And I found there was a bit of an issue. It took me a while to figure this out, namely because it's an issue that no one seems to have mentioned online, and it was totally unexpected to me. And it came in the guise of the PLA. So I realised the cartridges were working if they were 8K, but anything over 8K wouldn't work, which I found a bit bizarre. So I did some digging around, I cleaned all the connectors, I did continuity tests, all the usual things you can probably imagine if you're a fan of this channel. And the only thing was, something struck me while cleaning. This is why cleaning is a really good idea. And I noticed there were two pins on the Super PLA, as it's called, that if you inspected really closely, it looked like the solder was a little bit bodgy. Now this was a sealed unit and I could tell no one had been messing around with this. But anyway, long story short, I did a continuity test on, I think it was these two pins here. Noticed they were connected, which would make sense why the upper banks of the cartridge weren't working. So I desoldered and resoldered that, and bingo, it all works now. So I thought I'd just do a very quick video. I haven't done one for a while, I'm trying to get back into it. I do have many ideas and lots of projects on the go, but I thought this would be a good little mini video to start off with. So, long story short, if you've got a 64C and you've got problems with it, with cartridges, nothing else, could be Commodore mucked up in the factory. It could be just a one-off, I don't know. It's not something I've seen before, but yeah, that's what happened. So anyhow, that's the end of the video. So yes, there we go, first video for a long time. I will do some more, it's just a case of finding time. I've been working so hard on some other projects that I can't wait to show you. So hard that I'm not trying to make a video, so well, you've got one now, so be grateful, alright? Okie dokie, Retro Marky, out.